Thank you, Chair. As reported in the previous year, an amount of Kenya shillings 18,269,805 was paid to a local merchant for completion of Kataboy Ecology at the contract sum of 60,016,621.
Yeah, understand.
Yeah, the information we obtained is that the amount was fully paid.
66 million was fully paid.
Yes.
And then another contract, it can be provisioned when everyone is ready to do this, in the event you find that it is a priority. So what would be the total cost to completion? 740 has already been paid?
This is what has been paid during the previous, but currently...
No, we want to get the total cost.
What is the total cost?
Because we are suspecting it's approaching 1 billion.
The SRC and Ministry of Public Works have said the maximum a governor's house should cost is 45 million. So these are like 60 houses or six governors' mansionette that should be built with 220 million plus. So, Chair, from my observation, this was just money that was eaten. Ilikulwa, like the mzee who said in Eldoret that this one ilikulwa too. So, Chair, I request, because we don't want to waste much of the time, it's just the EACC to arrest these people. They have stolen. This money was just stolen.
I don't know whether at this point we should be re-auditing this matter. At this point, we should just be giving directions that this is a clear illegality, and these gentlemen can go and explain these matters at Integrity Center in the presence of investigators.